So hello everybody, today we will learn how to make this granny square. With this granny square you can make many things. You can make your bags, purses, your dresses. This is one of the samples I have created using this granny square. I've used 5 granny squares here to make the coin bag. I'm using milk cotton yarn with 3.5 mm hook. Okay, so let's start. Now let's see how we can make magic circle. We will hold this starting of the yarn under your first and your second finger with the thumb. Straighten your fingers, wrap it 2 times, making an X. Go facing your hook downwards, go under the first one and grab the one at the back. Okay, grab the one at the back with the hook, pulling it out. Now see how my hand is moving. I pulled it out and twisted it on my hook. Okay, again sent my hook under this yarn. This is the yarn coming from the yarn ball, and I pulled it out from the hook, and see my magic circle is created. I will be making 8 single crochets in this magic circle. Okay, so let's start. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one 8. I will pull this yarn and I will close the circle. Okay, and now I will go in the first single crochet and I will make a slip stitch. See, this is the V. I'm going under this V. I will grab the yarn out and I will pull through the last chain. Okay, that's it, one step, and I will chain 1 and I'm gonna cut the yarn here as my first round is done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my yellow yarn. You can start it with a slip knot or you can just wrap it on your hook like this. Okay, and bring it under from any of the chains and just make a first one chain here. Okay, so now for the double crochet usually we do 3 chains. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 3 because this gives you an equal height of a double crochet. So now we have 8 single crochets here. In every stitch we are going to make 3 double crochets together. So this will be counted as your 3 chains will be counted as your first double crochet. So we are going to make one more in the same chain. Grab the yarn out. So see, we have 3 loops. We will pass through only first 2 loops. We will not pass through the next 2 loops. This will make half of our first double crochet. We will yarn over again on the hook, go under the same chain, grab the yarn out. Okay, so now you have 4, but we will only pass it through the first 2 loops first. Now what you will do is you will pass through all the 3 together and you will chain them. Okay, see, it gives you a shape of the petal. So now you will chain 1 and you will go in the next stitch making your next double crochet. You will yarn over again on the hook, you will go under the chain, you will pull the yarn out. You have 3 loops. You will just pass through the first 2. Now you will have 2 loops remaining on your hook. You will yarn over it again, go under the same chain, pull the yarn out. You have 4 loops on your hook now. Okay, but we will only pass through first 2 loops. This is half of your second double crochet. Okay, now we will again yarn over and we will go under the same loop, pull the yarn out. How many loops we have? 2 and 3, 5. But the first step is we will only pass through the first 2 loops. So we have a set of 3 half double crochets. Now we are going to chain all these 3 together by yarning over the hook and grabbing through all the 4 chains together, 4 loops together. Okay, and we will chain 1. See, so now we have got 2 petals. We will follow the same step in all the rest 6 chains. Look one more time, yarn over. Okay, one yarn over, go under the next chain, pull the yarn out. You have 3 loops. You will pass through only the first 2. You will have next 2 remaining. you yarn over again, you go under the chain, pull the yarn out. You have 4 loops, but we will only pass through the first 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You will yarn over again, you will go under the same loop, pull the yarn out. You have 5 loops. We will only pass through the first 2 loops. Now we have left with 4 loops on the hook. We will yarn over again and pull through all the 4 loops and chain 1. So our third set of petals is also ready. So let's complete this round doing the same thing, and I will see you at the end of the round. So we are done with our 8 petals. You can see now we have to just slip stitch again in the first double crochet. Okay, this is the first double crochet we did. We'll just go under this loop, pull the yarn out and pull through the chain again. See, and just make 1 chain and we will cut the yarn, and our second round is complete. This is how it looks right now in a circle. Now in round 3 we will give it a square shape. So again we'll use the first yarn color. Okay, again now you have to start from the chain space, 1 chain. You have a gap between all the petals. You have to put your hook under any one of the gaps. Okay, these are 2 petals and there's a gap in between. I'm going to put my hook under this gap. I'm going to grab my other yarn and I'm just going to pull through in, chain 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to chain 3. Now I will be doing 3 chains, 2 more double crochets. So now we will be doing this step. Okay, so we'll be doing first this corner. Okay, so this is a set of 3 double crochet, chain 2 space and 3 double crochet again. Okay, so let's see, it's chain 3 under the same 1 chain space. We will pull the yarn out. We have 3 loops. Now we will make full double crochets, not the half one but the full double crochets. Okay, so we have 2, we'll do 1 more. In the same chain we'll do 1 more, yarn over, go under the blue, pull through 1, 2 and pull through again. So see, we have 3 double crochets created here. Now we will chain 2. This chain 2 is to give you a corner shape. Now we will again yarn over, go under the same space and we will make a double crochet. We will pull through first 2 loops and again through the 2 loops. Okay, we'll go again under the same chain space. We will pull through the first 2 loops and the next 2 loops. We will again, the third one, the last one, go under this space and see, we have created the corner. Now in the next chain space we will do 3 half double crochets. How you will do 3 half double crochets? It's the same thing. You will yarn over. Okay, you will go under this loop, the next chain space, pull the yarn out. You have 3 loops. Now instead of passing through only the first 2 loops, we will pass through all the 3 loops together. So this is counted as your half double crochet. Okay, because only 1 step is done here. Yarn over your loop, yarn over, go under the 1 chain space, pull the yarn out. You have 3 loops on the hook. You will yarn over again and pull through all the 3 loops, the second one. Again same thing, yarn over, go under the same chain 1 space, pull the yarn out and pull through all the 3 loops. Okay, now in the next 1 chain space we will repeat this corner, a set of 3 double crochets. Yarn over, pull through 1, 2, pull through next 2, yarn over, bring the yarn out, pull through first 2, pull through second, then again yarn over, go under the chain space. You have 3 loops, pull through first 2 loops and pull through second 3 loops. See, you got your next a set of 3 double crochets. Now we will chain 2. Okay, now again we will go under the same chain space, bring the yarn out and pass through all the loops, chain out, pass through first 2 loops, then pass through the next 2 loops. We got to do 1 more. Go under the chain space, pass through first two and pass through. See, you can see we have created a straight line now for the one side, right? So similarly you will follow this pattern. Now you have to do half double crochet, then you will do the set of 3 double crochets, follow the same pattern, okay? And I'll see you at the end of the round. See, our third corner is also ready. So it has started looking like a square. We did a set of 3 double crochets, chain 2 space, then 3 double crochets, okay? Then we did a set of, then we did 3 half double crochets, and then again we made a set of 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. In the next chain 1 space we did 3 half double crochets, and then again we repeated the corner here, a set of 3 double crochets with 2 chain space in between. Doing again 3 half double crochets. Okay, so now again we will make a slip stitch in the first double crochet we created. We will just pull through and pull through the last stitch. See, we have given it a square shape now. Okay, so round 3 is done. Now we will just chain 1, cut the yarn here, pull it. Okay, so now for the round 4 is this is basically to increase the height. Okay, so now we'll take another color again. We will go under any gaps here what we see, or somewhere in the middle. Okay, and we will be working a set of 3 double crochets in every space in the middle. Pull the yarn, make 3 chains, 2, 3. Okay, so now yarn over again, go under the same space, pull the yarn out. We have 3 loops, pass through first 2 loops, and then pass through the next 2 loops. So we have 2 double crochets. Now this is the third one. Okay, so we created 3. So now again we will go under the next chain, the next space between the double crochet and the half double crochet, and we will create another set of 3 half double crochets. Okay, so now comes the corner space, this chain 2 space. So this time we will be working of 3 double crochets but with only chain 1 space. Okay, so see, I made 3. Now I will chain only 1, yarn over again, go in the same space and make another set of 3 double crochets. See, we created another corner. So now I'm going in the next space and I'm doing a set of 3 double crochets again. Now I'm going in the next space here and I will be doing another round of 3 double crochets. Okay, this is how it is looking now. Now we are again here at the corner, so we will be doing a set of 3 double crochets with chain 1 space in between. I did 3, I will chain 1, yarn next 2. So I have created second corner of mine. Now I'm again going in the next space between these 3 double crochets. I'm pulling it out again, making one more set, going in the next space, pulling the yarn out, grab it. See, now again we are at the corner. We will repeat the same thing. We will do a set of 3 double crochets with chain 1 between them. See, we have almost completed this round. Just remember, you have to work in the space between the set of all the 3 double crochets. Okay, we are not working on the top chains, we are working in the space between the double crochets. So see, we have completed the square. Now this time we will not join the slip stitch we did in the earlier rows. Okay, so now let's see how to close our this last round in a neater way. Okay, so after completing your last double crochet, just cut the yarn keeping the long tail, okay, and pull the hook out. Okay, see, I've pulled the yarn completely out. Now what you have to do is you just flip it. See, from the back side of my project, I am going from back side to the front. I'm going from back to the front under the first double crochet we created, and I'm pulling this yarn out. Okay, and I'm pulling this yarn out like this. Okay, I've pulled this yarn out at the back now. Now the last double crochet we created, I will go under the back loop only. I'm coming from the back loop out only. I have not taken the front loop. I've just come out from the back loop. I will pull this yarn out from here this way. See, can you make any difference? See, we closed it just like the regular chains. Nobody can tell where we have closed our project. Okay, so this is how you, and now what you can do is just make sure when you hide this yarn at the back, you don't pull it too tight and hide it somewhere at your back. Pass it through your back loops only. Okay, securing it so that it does not open. So you can just hide all the yarns at the back, and this is your final product. Try it and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Enjoy.